Okay, this is how I make my own picking tools from hair clips. These are my wife's hair clips, or they were till I got my hands on them. Right, I'll show you what I like to do. First of all, just open it up. I'll use this one will be the pick. The little dab of varnish or whatever it is on the tip of the pins, I like to cut that off. I just use a Stanley blade or something like that. Cut off both sides. Then get a, I don't know, stone or sandpaper or a Dremel and just make sure all the rest of that varnish is off. Till it comes clean like that, and essentially that is your pick. I actually like to round the corners a little, just slightly. Just take off any sharp edges that might catch the pins. So that's a pick, and open up the pin again. This one's going to be your lever again. Cut off the varnish tips or whatever they are. Some of them have push-on tips which are easier to work. Again, sand down, and then all I do is I just bend the end, bend it nice and slow, and there you have it. You got the right angle there, and that's your lever, and that's pretty much it. I think I overbent that one. I like to bend both ends, so I've got two levers out of one bobby pin. So out of one bobby pin I get a long lever and I get a short lever. So that's it, there's your pick and there's your lever. Very easy, two bobby pins, all you need. So let's get cracking and open up a couple of padlocks. Okay, we got quite a hefty Brinks padlock here, and there's the bidding on the key. A couple of deep cuts there, make it a bit more challenging. Boron steel shackle. Okay, let's put our bobby pin wrench in. I like to put it at the top of the keyway. Right, let's get picking. And there it is. Didn't take too long. What else we got here? We got just a cheaper padlock from Walmart. Let's lock it up. There's the bidding on the key. And again, top of the keyway is my preference. Let's get cracking with a little bobby pin. There we go, got that one pretty quick. Alright, and that's it. Make your own picking kit out of a bobby pin hair clips. Thanks for watching, catch you later guys.